how to open Netflix account in phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can open up your Netflix account in phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, opening up your Netflix account whether you're on phone or laptop doesn't really matter because you can do this from any device. But instead of opening the Netflix app, I would recommend you open up your browser because the browser has more options and it's much easier on the browser. Then just go to netflix.com. Then all you have to do is just simply make sure to enter the email address that you would like to use for your Netflix account over here. So once you make sure to enter your email address that you want to use for your Netflix account, you can simply tap on the get started button. Once you tap on get started, it will ask you to basically create a password, so tap the next option. Then make sure to simply create a password for yourself. Now I'm just using a dummy password over here because I'm not really going to be using this account. Of course, if you try to log in, it will not say anything. So you can just tap the next button here. On the next page, it will ask you to basically choose your plan, so you can tap the choose plan option here. You can select 4K plan, the standard 1080p plan, basic plan or mobile plan depending upon the cost, as you can see. Then just tap on the next option. All you have to do is enter your credit or debit card or your PayPal account, and then your Netflix account will get successfully created. And that's all it takes to create your Netflix account password and then basically open an account on phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.